Jingle bells, jingle bells. Good morning, everyone. This is probably the sleepiest you will ever see me. It's about 7:30. There is no light outside still, well, almost. We have a bit of a sunrise, but not quite there yet. And I woke up at this time to work out. Yesterday I woke up about 6 in the morning to work, and I've been working on that presentation. I'm not as tight with my work schedule as I was yesterday, and if I leave it up until the evening, I might not do it, because yesterday I worked until 7 and I was planning to work until 4 and then stop and do my workout, and it just didn't happen. So I'm gonna do it this morning, and we'll catch up afterwards. I also want to make some soft pretzels tonight. My boyfriend has been raving about those for a while, and tonight is like a Romanian celebration where Saint Nicholas comes and brings you sweets, and I can't go outside. It's like super cold, and it's not like I can go very far without a car. So I'm gonna make these pretzels, but I'm gonna make them with my sourdough. So I need to put the dough and mix the dough in now, so that they can ferment on the counter for about 10 to 12 hours. My little pretzel dough ball is done, so I'll just put it to proof for about 12 hours. And now we can do our workout.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire.
Right, it's about 10 now. I've tidied up the kitchen a little bit. I have put a load of laundry. I've emptied and refilled the dishwasher. My pretzels are proofing over there. I've washed the dishes. I've took some shrimps for tonight's dinner out of the freezer. And now I'm gonna make some toast with butter and jam. And I need to get like super deep into work right now, because I need to work on the presentation that I have for Friday, and I just have a lot of tasks that needs to be done, like until 1 max. So let's work for a good chunk of hours, and I'll catch you later.
'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away.
First big chunk of work is done. It is now 3:45, so I've worked for a bit. I've had like snacks and stuff, super unhealthy snacks. But that's it. It happened. It's one day this week, then I'm gonna go back to my healthy self. Sometimes I'm just craving sweets when I'm stressed out and I'm anxious. And tomorrow I'm gonna be seeing a lot of people because tomorrow is our Christmas party. So I'm a little bit anxious about that. But now I'm gonna actually edit my Vlogmas because it hasn't gone up yet and it should have been already. But I'm gonna edit it now, post it, do all of that, and then I'm gonna focus on that presentation that I keep telling you about. Okay, work is done. It's 7:20, I think, so I've worked a bit late, as usual these days, but now I actually wanted to do the pretzels because I forgot about them. And look at this dough. It's springy, it's just perfect. So I'm gonna start on this. I'm gonna shape the pretzels and then they have to stay and proof for another 30 minutes. But that's perfectly fine because then I'm gonna make dinner and then I need to wash my hair, get ready for tomorrow, prepare everything, and I'm finally done. The presentation is like 80% done, but I've told my colleague that we're gonna wake up early on Friday and do the rest together, so that's the plan. But now let's do some pretzels. This is our dinner and I'm gonna show you the pretzels as well. And then the oven is just preheating now, so they're in the freezer. I actually need to get them out and start rolling them, but I'm gonna eat now and then I'll show you the pretzels and then we'll end the vlog. But let me get this beautiful dinner, and there's a lot more sauce in this, so I'm gonna have to split it up.
Dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
These are the pretzels. I haven't tried them yet, so I'm not sure if they're completely like baked through. But anyways, I'm gonna eat them. I have some more here, 3 more that I need to bake because they didn't fit on a single tray. And that being said, I'm actually gonna leave you here for tonight. Thank you so much for watching my vlog, and I will see you tomorrow morning when we go to our to my Christmas party. Bye!